Now we are discussing about this another important topic is biosafety and bioethics. So advances in the biotechnology and their applications are mostly associated with controversies. So this is because the major part of this modern biotechnology deals with genetic manipulations. ELSI which represents the ethical, legal and social implications of biotechnology broadly covers relationship between biotechnology and society with particular reference to ethical and legal aspects. So first one it is biosafety. Biosafety is the prevention of large-scale loss of biological integrity, focusing both on ecology and human health. Thus, prevention mechanisms include the conduction of regular reviews of this biosafety in laboratory settings as well as the strict guidelines to follow. Biosafety is used to protect from the harmful incidents. Many laboratories conduct the biohazards employed and ongoing risk management assessment and enforcement process biosafety. Failures to follow such protocols can lead to the increased risk to expose the biohazards or pathogens. So in your new book, so up to this pathogens. So biosafety it is a very important one. Because of this in the laboratory, so most of the risk of these acids are here in this lab. So it is ecology and also the chemicals not harmful to this ecology, not harmful to this environment and also the human beings health. So this prevention mechanism include this conducting the regular reviews. So having this regular reviews means so day by day you have to check out of this and what are the changes takes place in this chemicals. So you have to strictly guidance to follow. You have to strictly in the guidance to follow. So biosafety is a very important one. It is having this any harmful incidents. So how to protect from that persons. So many laboratories conducting this biohazards. So employ ongoing the risk management assessment. Because of this the process of biosafety. So many colleges many laboratories vachirukanga. So the laboratories having this very dangerous chemicals so involved. Because of this it is biosafety processes every day you check out of this what are the chemical reaction takes place in that chemical. So next this not here in your book. This also not here in your book, new book. So next to move to this bioethics, ethical, legal and social implementation. Bioethics refers to the study of ethical issues emerging from the advances in biology and medicine. It is also the moral discernment as it relates to medical policy and practices. Bioethics are concerned with the ethical questions that arises in the relationship among the life sciences, biotechnology and medicine. So it includes the study of the values relating to primary care and other branches of medicine. The hope of bioethics is directly related to biotechnology, including cloning, gene therapy, life extension, human genetic engineering, astronauts, life in space, manipulation of basic biology through the altered DNA, RNA and proteins. This development in biotechnology will affect the future evolution and may require new principles such as biotic ethics that values life and is the basic biological characters and structures. Ethical, legal and social implementations program was founded in 1990 as an integral part of this Human Genome Project. The mission of the ELSI program was to identify the address issues raised by genomic research that would affect the individuals, families and society. The percentage of the Human Genome Project budget at the National Institutes of Health and the US Department of Energy was devoted to ELSI research. So what is that bioethics? So bioethics is a study of standard of conduct and a moral judgment, or the system or coded for moral of a particular person, religion, group, profession, etc. Naturally, the bioethics refers to such standards which are laid down for the activities in relation to biological studies. So the biotechnology violates concept of species. In which section is transgenic plant animal belongs to? How will we define the boundaries of a species? So the scientific word must work as accordance of the sentient norms. As I already stated that biological weapons. So non-harmful, the Geneva Protocol, the development and the possession of biological and toxic weapon has been also propagated the biological weapon conservation. So the significant attention being to bay to USA, Japan and West Europe. So recorded the friends laid down the sentient rules and guidelines of the recombinant DNA technology. So bioethics. Bioethics is an advance in this biology. Bioethics is an advance in the biology. So because of this it is at medicines. So the medical policy is practiced. So you have to practice the new medicines. Send it. Yes. So you have to produce that new medicines available. You have to prepare for this and new medicines or vaccines, all the things. So all those researchers are going out there from the scientists. So what are the scope of this in this that related to this? So it is related to this all this things, biotechnology, gene therapy, life extension, human genetic engineering, so aeronautics, manipulation of basic biology. So all this. So altered in this only for this DNA, RNA and proteins. So it is a future evolution. So in this the principles are not for this the moral practice takes place in this the biotic ethics. So the value of this life, the basic biological characters and structures. Value of this life is know that. So it is a biological characters and structures. So that is a ELSI. This is found in this same time. This is a human genome project. It's a research for this the effect of these individuals, the percentage of the human genome project, all the source on in this that US Department of Energy devoted this ESLIS. This is not here. Ethical is genomic research. So next one, Genetic Engineering Approach Committee. GEAC is an apex body under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change for regulating the manufacturing, use, import, export and storage of hazards, microbes or genetically modified organisms and cells in the country. It was established as an apex body to upward approval of activities involving the large scale use of hazards, microorganisms and recombinants in the research and industrial production. The GEAC is responsible for approval of proposals relating to release the genetically engineered organisms and products into the environment, including the experimental field trials. The Genetic Engineering Appraisable Committee. Appraisable Committee means if you are producing this a new one. So if you are producing the new strains. So in new strains it is applicable for this climate change. Regulating of manufacturing, so what's the import or export, what is the users, so you have to import or export, all the things you have to declare in that new strains. So what are the recombinants takes place? So it is that GEAC is responsible for this that new staining. So what are the proposals? What are the proposals means which organism is introduced, which organisms are produced. So that is what are the experiment is conducted is that there's a testing experiment. என்னென்ன testing experiment எல்லாம் பண்ணீங்க எல்லாமே என்ன செஞ்சிருக்கணும் ப்ரப்போசலாக கொடுத்துருக்கணும் research proposal. So next one is the future biotechnology. Biotechnology has become the comprehensive scientific venture from this point of academic and commercial angles. With a short time with the sequencing of human genome and genome of some important organisms, the future development is biotechnology will be exciting. Thus, development of biotechnology will lead to new scientific revolution, would change the lives and future of people. So, like industrial and computer revolution, biotechnological evolution will also promise the major changes in aspects of modern life. So, in our modern life, we are using this modern technology, modern biotechnology. So, we will use for this different types of this food items and different types of this materials and different types of this medicines also we have to face in this modern life. So next move to this evaluation. First one, choose the correct answer from this given option. Totipotency, capacity to generate a whole plant from this any plant, that is any plant cell, that is X plant. So whole plant are produced in that any plant. So next one, micropropagation involves vegetative multiplication of plants. Already I told that micropropagation means if there is a single plant, single tissue. Micro means single tissue or few tissues is taken from this propagate, that is vegetative multiplication of plants by small X plants. Okay. So next one, match the following. Totipotency, property of living cells develops into entire plant. So 1. So next one, de-differentiation. So A, reversal of mature cells into meristem. Reversion. Next, explant. Selected plant tissue transfer to culture medium. So next, differentiation, biochemical and structural changes of cells. So totally C